When it comes to automotive legends, the Shelby Cobra is in a league of its own, a symbol of raw power, performance, and American muscle with a racing pedigree. But what happens when that same spirit is condensed into a pint-sized package that even your kid could drive? Meet the Shelby Cobra-style go-kart, a custom miniature masterpiece that just sold for a jaw-dropping $9,800 on Bring a Trailer. At first glance, this might look like a toy, but upon closer inspection, it's clear this is anything but child's play. This is a true labor of love, built with vintage authenticity and modern craftsmanship. The fiberglass body dates back to the 1960s, meaning the project started with a real piece of history. When the seller picked up the cracked and time-worn shell in 2023, it was barely holding together. Fast forward nearly 2 years, and it has been completely restored, reshaped, and reimagined into one of the coolest go-karts on the planet. The restoration included extensive bodywork repairs and a new glossy blue paint job, perfectly channeling the classic Cobra aesthetic. Add to that a wraparound plexiglass windshield, chrome detailing, a twist-off fuel cap, faux side pipes, a hood scoop, and functioning trunk and hood lids, and you've got a scale replica that looks like it rolled out of Carroll Shelby's dream garage. But the magic isn't just skin deep. Underneath the slick bodywork sits a custom-built steel frame paired with a 440cc Duramax OHV single-cylinder engine. With 18 horsepower on tap and a centrifugal clutch, this mini-monster delivers more punch than your average go-kart, sending power straight to the rear wheels. It's not lightning fast, but it's quick enough to make every ride thrilling. Bringing the cart to a stop is a set of Wilwood performance parts, including a brake pedal adjuster, a master cylinder, and cross-drilled disc brakes, not features you'd expect on a kid's ride. Clearly, this build wasn't about cutting corners. It was about passion and precision. Inside, the cabin is as impressive as the exterior. It features faux ostrich skin upholstery, custom black carpeting, and matching pedals, making it as stylish as it is functional. While it's a single-seater, short adults can actually fit behind the wheel, though it seems this build is primarily aimed at the next generation of car lovers. And let's be honest, if you want to spark a love of cars in your kid, this is the way to do it. There's something uniquely satisfying seeing classic automotive design scaled down and brought to life like this. While full-size Shelby Cobras sell for hundreds of thousands or even millions, this mini version delivers serious charm and excitement for a fraction of the price. Still, at nearly $10,000, it's a hefty investment for what some might consider a novelty. But for collectors, builders, or parents with a serious love of automotive culture, the price seems justified. This Cobra Go-Kart isn't just a toy, it's a rolling piece of craftsmanship, combining vintage DNA, performance parts, and one-of-a-kind personality. Whether it ends up on display, tearing up a private driveway, or making a kid's dream come true, it's guaranteed to be a conversation starter. So next time someone tells you size matters, just show them this. The smallest Shelby may also be one of the most unforgettable.